Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul. Today is an incredibly very special day. Today I'm going to finally give away the Sweet 16 set for passing 2,000 subscribers. The reason it took so long is because I didn't think I was going to get the 2,000 mark that quickly, and things just skyrocketed and escalated. But now I'm getting close to 4,000 subscribers already. We'll address that in a little bit here. But we've got a lot of other prizes to give away, so let's go ahead and talk about that and give away some really cool stuff. Let's go ahead and move on. The great folks at Air Warrior Coffee Company have donated some prizes to be given away, and we're going to be giving those away pretty soon. They've donated some 1-pound packs of coffee that we're going to give away to a bunch of the subscribers and folks that have signed up for the prize giveaway. That's going to be fantastic. Spray Gunner at spraygunner.com is also giving away a great prize. They're giving away one of their no-name brand compressorless airbrushes. This is a beautiful brush, and I did a review on it earlier in the year, and it's a fantastic brush. So that's going to be a great giveaway. John at the Redline Shop is also joining the fray here. One of my official sponsors, I might add. He is going to be donating a $100 gift certificate from the Redline Shop. Now, the Redline Shop offers an awful lot of things, but he's going to donate a $100 gift certificate to the winner of that prize. And then finally, we've got the Sweet 16 giveaway. Every one of these cars was restored by me, and it featured in a video. This is going to be a lot of fun. Now, the winners are going to have 72 hours to contact me. If you don't contact me within 72 hours after the airing of this video, I will pick another winner. Let's give away some of that wonderful Air Warrior coffee. Man, I've had it. It's absolutely delicious. Let's go ahead and pick the first winner. I went ahead and entered the site address for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway video. And we're picking them with a random comment picker for YouTube. The very first winner is Brother Dog. Brother Dog, you win the first prize of coffee. Please contact me at the email address where it says 72 hours. Let's pick the next winner. We've got 6 total coffee prizes to give away. The next winner is Joe Harden. Joe Harden, please contact me to claim your prize. The Air Warrior coffee is fantastic. Also, it's run by veterans and operated by veterans. So please, this is great stuff, and check it out. Let's give away the next bag. All right. This is fun. I love giving stuff away if I can help it. The next winner is Dewey G. Dewey G. You've won one of those coffee prizes, so please contact me, sir. Fantastic. Let's draw another name. Who's going to be the lucky one here? James Turner. James Turner, you have won a coffee prize. Please contact me, sir. Now, there's a couple packages of coffee that fit into the Keurig coffee makers. I've got 2 of those. If you have a Keurig, let me know. You'll get one of those. The winner is Melissa Combest. Melissa Combest, you have won a coffee prize. Thank you so much for entering. And we got some other prizes to give away. This is, I can't believe this. This is so much fun. Here we got another one here. Robert Troidel. Robert Troidel up there in Tonawanda, New York. We got some prizes for you. Coffee prize. Please contact me, sir. Thank you so much. I want to thank the Air Warrior Coffee Company for donating those wonderful prizes. Owned by veterans and operated by veterans. You folks absolutely rock. please check out their website at www.airwarriorcoffeecompany.com. They've got so many flavors, and everything they send you is freshly ground and roasted. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Now, the next prize we have to give away is a compressorless airbrush. Now, like I said, this is a no-name brand offered by spraygunner.com. This is their own brand of airbrush. They have donated this, and they've got a lot of great products there at their shop. They have a complete line of airbrushes for all your airbrush needs. All the major brands and some of the brands they have made for themselves. They got that wonderful Createx paint, and they also have their own brand called Chroma Air, which I'll be doing a video on here in the very near future. Please check it out. Here is the compressorless airbrush, the no-name brand airbrush. You charge it up with a USB cord. It'll run for approximately 40 minutes. And if you really want to, you can get a hose for it, and you can run it with a hose too if you're so inclined. But this is a fantastic brush. It's portable, you can take it with you, and it's a great product. I recommend it highly. It's a great thing. So thanks to the folks at spraygunner.com for donating this wonderful prize. Let's go ahead and draw the winner of this airbrush. This is going to be fantastic. Man, I love giving this stuff away. This is a lot of fun. Thank you so much to my subscribers. Johnny Hicks. Johnny Hicks, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for following my videos. You, sir, win the compressorless airbrush. Congratulations. I wish I had prizes to give away to everybody, but I don't. You folks are fantastic, and just please keep watching my videos. Please check out all their products at spraygunner.com. Fantastic stuff, fantastic people. Tell Chad and Artem that Paul from Diecast Graveyard sent you along. And thank you guys so much for the donation of the wonderful airbrush. The next prize we're going to give away is the $100 gift certificate from the Redline shop. They have a complete line of restoration parts for your older Redlines. Everything and anything you can think of for these cars. On their list and things that they offer are anything from car parts to decals to tools to paint to wheels. They've got a complete line of things there to help you with your older Redline restoration. But some of the things you can use for the newer Redlines. You have replacement windshields. That's fantastic there. Replacement hoods. Those things break often on the old cars. You can fix them now. They have tools and screws and taps and rivets and everything that you can use to put your car back together after you take it apart. Man, some great stuff in this. They have a complete line of the old replacement Redline wheels, to include the deep dish wheels, and those wheels are fantastic. They also have the cap style wheels that you can use to help restore your Redline to brand new condition. And one of my favorite products that John sells is that wonderful world famous Spectre Flame paint. This paint here for your hobby restorations, the older Redlines, the newer Redlines, these paints are fantastic. They've got the Spectre Flame paint, they've got the enamel paints. Please check them out at www.redlineshop.com for a fantastic product. I love these things. I love everything that John sells. Please go to his website and check it out. Now, he was gracious enough to donate a $100 gift certificate to the Redline shop. So the winner will have 72 hours to contact me and let me know that you're claiming your prize. Now, I'm also going to go in and make sure that whoever wins is subscribed to the channel. So I hope you're still subscribed and didn't just subscribe, put in for the site, and then unsubscribe later on. I will be checking, all right? So, all right, without further hesitation, let's go ahead and give away this $100 gift certificate to the Redline shop. Man, this is exciting. All right, let's go ahead and find a winner here. Wow. All worked up here. I need some alcohol, some adult beverages. The Outlaw Speed Shop. Keith at the Outlaw Speed Shop is the winner of the Redline Shop gift certificate. Keith, contact me, my friend, and we'll get you that gift certificate. And thank you so much for participating in your video channel at Outlaw Speed Shop. Keith is a great builder, and I love his work. Thank you and congratulations, Keith. And now for a special announcement. Man, I tell you, this just gets better and better and better. When I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a completely restored set of Spoilers Series Hot Wheels, the Redline Spoilers Series. You have to comment below in this video, spoilers. Comment below in this video, spoilers, and you'll have a chance to win a completely restored set of Hot Wheels Redline Spoilers cars, completely restored by me, when I reach 5,000 subscribers. And now, what you've finally been waiting for. It's time to give away the Sweet 16 set. Now, every car in this set was restored by me and featured in one of my videos. The display case that you see there was made by Bearcat Designs. Bearcat Designs is owned and operated by William Robertson, Mr. K7, and Grizz Howard. Please check out Bearcat Designs for all your 3D printing needs. They're on fire as far as getting parts and things made for your 1/64th scale cars, and I'm sure that he can make the larger scale parts also. So again, please check out Bearcat Designs. They have a page on Facebook, and I'll leave a link to that page in the comments. And here we go. We're going to draw the winner right now for the Sweet 16 giveaway. We've got the address in, we push the start button, and who is it going to be? Jonathan Bozeman. I'm speechless, John. What a fantastic set, and it's yours, my friend. It's yours. I can't thank you enough for participating. I can't thank everyone enough for participating in this giveaway, in my videos, watching my videos, subscribing, commenting, etc. All you folks are fantastic, and I can't thank you enough for all that you do for me. I make these videos for you, and I love giving stuff away. And we'll be giving more stuff away too. I've got another announcement to make here in the very near future on a new type of prize drawing, and that's going to be fantastic too. If you know any of these folks that have won prizes, please contact them and let them know they've won, because they have 72 hours to contact me. I want to thank the sponsors of this giveaway. Air Warrior Coffee at airwarriorcoffee.com, owned by veterans and operated by veterans. Thank you so much for your donations, gentlemen. I want to thank the gentlemen at spraygunner.com. Talk to Chad, talk to Artem, and all the other folks there for all your airbrushing needs. The airbrushes, the wonderful Createx paints, and their brand new line of Chroma Air paints. We'll be doing a video on those in the very near future. Please check them out at spraygunner.com. The customer service is second to none. I also want to thank John at the Redline Shop. All the things that they offer, all the parts that they offer to help restore your old Redlines. Replacement wheels and hoods and glass and decals and paint and everything. Folks, where Redlines come to life. I need to have all the winners contact me at diecastgraveyard@gmail.com. You've got 72 hours to contact me to claim your prize. If not, then I will choose another winner. please contact me so I can give away this fantastic stuff and prizes and everything to all the winners. Guys, thank you again so much, and thanks for subscribing. We got so much looking ahead, and we're growing like crazy. Fantastic. I want to thank you all for joining me here today for this fantastic giveaway. And don't forget to comment spoilers down below to qualify you to win that spoilers set when we get to 5,000 subscribers. My name is Paul. Thank you folks so much for a fantastic 9 months, and thanks for subscribing. Take care and cheers.